video, we are going to see how we can disable or enable the website language translation in Microsoft Edge browser. So if you do not want your browser to automatically suggest translations into English or into any other language, here's how you can enable or disable that according to your needs. First of all, just head over to the top right hand corner and click on these three dots. And from here, we choose settings at the bottom. And on the left hand side, we see languages. Click on that. And here it says offer to translate pages that aren't in the language I read. So if you have some other language, it will show you to translate the language into a particular other language, whatever is your preferred language is added here according to that. So if you want to disable that, you just toggle that off. And we also do have the option to add or remove the languages, whatever we like. So if you want to, let's say, add a new language, let's say German, click on add languages. We add German here like this. Select this, click on add. And after that, you can select this as a display language in the Microsoft Edge browser if you want to see the complete browser in this particular language. And also we can move the position or reorder it however sequence we want. You can move it up, move it to the top, and move it to the bottom. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.